Hi everybody and welcome back. My name is Samira and today we're going to be working on exercise 11. So in exercise 11 we have to revisit the drunk pirate problem from the exercise in chapter 3. And so for this case, but in this time the drunk pirate makes a turn and then takes some steps forward. After he takes some steps forward, he just repeats it. And so we have some new data and the angle of each turn and the number of steps taken from that turn. And so we have to use a turtle, activate turtle to draw the path that the drunken pirate takes. So we import turtle, we open up the window screen, add the title, and activate test. And so after that, we assign pirate's path to these data. And so after that, we use a for loop, but in this case, we add in the parameters inside of the for loop. So we have angle and steps because we want to repeat the steps forward and the angle in pirate's path right here. And so we do test dot left angle and test dot forward steps to complete that. And let's see if that runs.